How to delete an underline on your text in WordPress. You do this from the built-in editor, no code, no plugin, no other site. Start on your WordPress dashboard. Click Posts in the left-hand menu, then click All Posts. The list of posts opens. Find the post with the underlined text and click its title. The editor loads. Now scroll to the underlined text. Click and drag across only those underlined words. The formatting toolbar appears right above the selection. Look for underline in that toolbar. The button works as a toggle, so if it looks pressed or shaded, that's what's applying the underline. If you see it, click it once and the underline drops off. If it's not there, click the three-dot menu at the right end of the toolbar. The extra formatting options open and underline is in there. Click underline, and the line disappears from the selected text. Click somewhere else in the editor so the selection collapses. Check the sentence. If it's clean, click update in the top right. A small confirmation appears that the post is saved. If an entire paragraph is underlined, click inside that paragraph first. Do not press Ctrl-A here. On a Mac, that's Command-A. It selects everything in the editor and you'll end up changing formatting across the whole post. Instead, click and drag across only the paragraph you want to fix. The toolbar appears above the selected paragraph. Open the three-dot menu if you need to, then click Underline. The underline clears from the full paragraph. Click outside the text, confirm the rest of the article hasn't changed, and click Update. A heading works the same way. Click the heading block once, then select just the underlined portion. The text toolbar shows up above the heading. If underline is hidden, click the three-dot menu, click underline, and the line goes. Then click Update. If the underlined text is a link, click the link text. The link toolbar appears and the text is selected. Look for underline in the formatting toolbar. If it's active, click it to toggle it off. Click outside and check the link. If the underline disappears, click Update. If the link stays underlined, the text toolbar is not the problem. Your theme is adding that underline automatically. The block editor cannot override it, and I would not keep clicking underline and fighting it. Go back to the dashboard. Click Appearance in the left menu. If you see Editor, click it. The site editor opens. Click Styles. Then look for typography or colors. Open the settings related to links. If your theme gives you a link underline control, turn it off there and click Save. That removes it across the whole site, so only do that if you actually want links without underlines everywhere. On a classic theme, you won't have the site editor path. Go back to Appearance, click Customize. The customizer opens. Look under Typography, Links, Colors, or General Options. If the theme provides a link appearance setting, disable the underline and click Publish. The exact panel changes by theme, but it's almost always inside those sections. Now, if the text has several formatting problems, not just underline, select the affected text, open the toolbar, click the three-dot menu, and look for Clear Formatting. Click it. That removes bold, italic, underline, and other inline formatting in one click. Use it only when you're okay losing all of that. If you only need the underline gone, use the underline button instead. If the underline keeps coming back after you update, check whether the text is a link. WordPress themes often underline links by default. If every link on the site looks the same, it's a global style, not manual formatting. Go to Appearance, then Editor, then Styles, or Appearance, then Customize on a classic theme, and open the link or typography setting. Turn the underline off there. That is much faster than removing it manually from every link. Before you finish, go back to the post editor, click Preview in the top bar, and check the page on desktop. Then switch to Mobile Preview and look at the same text and links. If the link underline is off globally, make sure links still look clickable, not just plain blue text. While you're in Styles, I would set a link hover color or a darker text color so people can still tell it's a link. Then click Save if you changed anything. If this fixed it for you, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments like that push this to other people looking for the same thing.